ABS Touchpad has been redesigned to snap into place. It no longer has adhesive on the back. It still has capacitive technology, robust wiring harness, and 12 volts DC power. The ABS Touchpad kit includes the following components: ABS Touchpad, wiring harness, ABS decal sheet, mini razor blade scraper, installation instructions, adhesive remover pads, heavy-duty cleaning wipes, and 2 alcohol wipes. Step 1. Turn off the ABS. Next, we're going to remove our cover from our beverage interface board by removing the 2 screws. Unplug the touchpad harness from the beverage interface board. Next, peel back the old touchpad. Next, remove the old touchpad and use the provided scraper, adhesive remover, and alcohol wipes to remove the remaining glue. Then connect the harnesses to the appropriate board connections. Black wire closest to the black label and red wire closest to the red label. Route both harnesses through the shroud slot on the right side. Check harnesses to make sure there are no kinks behind the shroud. Check alignment before sliding and locking into place. Align the locking tabs on the new touchpad with the shroud slots and gently press in place. Connect the power supply harness to the 2-pin connector. Push the 2-pin connector on the beverage interface board. Plug in the harness to the beverage interface board. Now reinstall the cover to the beverage interface board. Power up the ABS and make sure the new touchpad is operating properly.